18 years ago, John Simon took on the big banks by setting up Aussie Home Loans, starting with a $10,000 loan from a relative. Well, now two young entrepreneurs who were in nappies when Aussie John started are taking him on. And as David Eccleston reports, even though they personally don't have home loans, they claim they can save you thousands on yours.
Hello, Chris speaking.
It's a phone call being played out in thousands of homes across the country.
Oh, great. Excellent news. That's brilliant. It's been approved. OK.
The first weekend of spring brings a payday for the brokers and bankers racing to sign up as many new customers as possible.
We just gave them a call and they did really respond. They came out the same night.
Yeah.
And, you know, it was basically a done deal.
And it's all there, isn't it?
Yeah.
Chris and Marie Cullen used a new web-based home loan navigator called Tomorrow Finance.
They just actually had all the figures down on how much you were actually going to be paying, which is quite, to us, that's
so
what
it was
we
up
want.
front with you?
Yes, that's what we want.
Tomorrow Finance is the brainchild of Mitch Fraser and John Allen. Yes, they're in their 20s, and yes, this is their humble office where they're planning to take over the home loans provider market in Australia.
We have relationships with all the major banks, and our system actually goes through and finds the best product from each of the major banks and makes it very transparent for the client to use.
So if you're currently paying 7% on your home loan, you can actually pop this into our system and it will tell you exactly how much you can save.
Once you've found the best product from the major bank that you are interested in, a mobile lender from the bank actually comes to you to do the home loan. So basically we take that legwork out.
A traditional broker charges a trailing commission, an ongoing yearly fee the provider receives for selling you the mortgage. But as the boys just point you in the right direction, they don't charge an ongoing commission. Rather, they get a spotter's fee from the banks.
The key difference is that we have pre-negotiated rates with the banks. We're a cheaper option to the banks, and so we can pass that saving on to our customers.
That allows the banks to sell their loan to Tomorrow Finance at a cheaper rate because they're not paying them ongoing fees.
You can save thousands of dollars.
But you can guarantee that I will save money?
Yeah, you'll save money.
Young entrepreneurs promising to beat the banks and give you a better deal. That's a sales pitch we've heard before.
And Aussie will save you.
Aussie John Simon was the first in Australia to take it to the banks.
We've compared hundreds of loans, then we help you find the one that's right for you.
So it made sense to talk to him about John and Mitch and whether he was nervous two young guys are snapping at his heels. But for some reason, Aussie John couldn't make it to an interview today. What would you say to Aussie John Simon?
Oh, I'd say look out, the boys are in town.
You know that's going to air, don't you?
I know.
None of this stopped Chris and Marie from giving Tomorrow Finance a go.
Good on them.
Yeah.
Good on them.
And it's good competition, and competition is very, very good for the likes of people like us.
Look out, the boys are in town. We'll see what Aussie John's got to say about that. That was David Eccleston reporting.